Hello, hello. Wow, look how much rocks I could throw. Let's go look for some fossils. I'm protecting this house, and I'm not very good at it. I'm not very good. No. No. Yes. Yee-haw! Hey, what's that over there? Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh no! What is it, officer? Can't throw rocks here. Why? It's against the rules. I could throw rocks if I want to. This is your warning. If you do something bad again, I'm giving you a ticket, and the next thing, I'm gonna bring you to jail. You are a bad officer. And don't bother me again.
Hey, I can fit in here. I can fit. Let's see, I need my hammer. Where's my... Hey, where's my hammer?
I like your hammer.
Hey, give me my hammer back.
Never.
Hello, police? Yeah, some kid in an orange shirt just took my hammer and I need it to fix this house. I'm on a deadline. Okay, thank you.
What's going on here? Did you steal that hammer? His hammer, this is my hammer. I saw you steal it. Just trying up this house. I need you to go home. If I catch you doing this again, you're going to jail. Fine. I'm never going to see you ever again. When we get to the very, very top. This is fun. The policeman can't see me with stairs digging. He won't take me to jail. There he is again. I told him to go home. Get off that dirt pile. You're going to jail. Oh no, he's back. Bingo! You can't find me right here.